My name is Lidia Michalak. I'm from Poland. I'm representing Polish Community Centre in Newcastle.
So you can tell me a little bit about the collections that you've been doing in the northeast and specifically here in Morpeth.
Yes, we started collection on Thursday. We're struggling every day till very late time to collect all the stuff and sorted everything out, you know, like in separate boxes. And I got in touch with Alison from Morpeth, who helps me a lot, and with my customers from Morpeth, and I wasn't expecting so big, you know, amount of the collection in here. I was expecting one van, but it seems it's like gonna be about 3 or 4 vans. People are amazing, very big crowd. We all really involved. I'm so grateful. And we have with our community center one Ukrainian girl who helping us as well, and she has a mother in Ukraine which is really upset, and she's so grateful, and she wants to pass really big thank you for all of you to help with all that, you know, getting involved and help with collection and any way of helping people. They need our help.
And tell me the things that people need most of all, which are the most important.
Most of all, the basic things, which was like a first need for the babies, for the mothers, young mothers, and that's the one part. And another part is it's for the army. So like sleeping bags, any like equipment for the clothes equipment, the power banks, batteries. What else? You know, like everything which they need, not being at home. So like blankets, you know, these things, warm clothes, you know, warm socks, underwear, these things, the most they need. I've got the message today of our community that they most, at the moment, they need power banks because they need to charge everything. So that's the main thing which they need at the moment. So it's updating every few days. And transport from Newcastle.
Yeah, so what happens when you take all the material
Yes.
to Newcastle? What happens then?
The transport from Newcastle will go to the main storage somewhere on the south. It went today actually, the first transport, because we have to sort it out everything before. And then it goes to the main storage, and then from there it's going to be separate to the army. Will go through Romania for the army, the Ukrainian army, and for people who need, like women, the old women, mothers and children. Everything goes to Poland because people are really involved there. They took all mothers with kids, and we try to help them because that's, you know, like a first need things like nappies, you know, baby stuff, and these things we need the most at the moment.
So has the response surprised you?
It's just like, absolutely. I'm very impressed. I'm really proud of my country. I'm really proud of UK. Honestly, so involving. It's just amazing. I just spread the news, and everybody just respond and helping a lot. You can see over there how much stuff we've got. It's gonna take a lot of time, but everybody wants to help, which is amazing. Absolutely, I'm really proud of all of us.
Yeah. Hello, my name's Alison Byard. We've had an incredibly busy and fantastic day here at Morpeth Town Hall, overwhelmed with all the very kind donations from the people of Morpeth, and heard so many fantastic stories. We even had a visit by Year 2 from St Robert's School, all of whom had brought a bag of things for Lent. And I believe that little were collecting for us all weekend as well. So we've been busy sorting today, our volunteers, because we learned that they were sorting all the stuff at the Polish Centre in Newcastle before it can go. So we thought we would try and help them as much as we can. So we've been putting like items together, and we've just had the first of the vans coming to take it all away. So we're nearing the end of a very busy day, a fantastic day of help for the Ukraine. Thank you.
When you started out, did you ever imagine that it would be as successful as it has been?
No, I had no idea how much we would get, but I should have known because Morpeth is so generous and they always rally round and amaze you with their generosity. So I don't know why I didn't expect that, but it's just wonderful what we've had. Absolutely wonderful.
And who in particular would you like to thank?
All our lovely volunteers, a lot of whom just came by with a donation and stayed and helped to sort. Our town council staff who've worked in all afternoon. Price's Fruit Shop have gone away, they're going to lend us their van to get stuff to Newcastle. There's so many people have rallied round and just been so helpful. It's fantastic what people can do when they're working together.